Welcome to Storytime with me, Miss Sheila. I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. Today's story, I brought you out in front of a train because, see, isn't it cool? Because the story is called Two Little Trains. Cool. So let's get into the book. Okay, let's go. If I can get to the pages. See the train? Beautiful. Two little trains west went down the track. Two little trains went west. Puff, puff, and chug, chug. Two little trains to the west. One little train was a steamline train. Puff, 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 to the west. And one little train was a little old train. Chug, 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 going west. So one's a toy and one's real. Look down, that long steel track. That long steel track to the west. Two little trains came to a hill, a mountainous hill to the west. With a puff and a chug, they went right through under the hill to the west. Look through that long dark hill to the west. Two little trains came to the river west. With a puff, puff, puff and a chug, 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 they went over the river to the west. Look down below the bridge at the deep dark water going west. Look at, he's in the bathtub. The rain came down on the two little trains going west, and it made them darker and wet and shiny as they went on their way to the west. The snow came down and covered the ground, and the two little trains went west. And they got white and flurry and still in a hurry. They puffed and chugged to the west. The moon shone down on a gleaming track, and the two little trains going west. And they hurried along and heard the song of a black man singing in the west. Look down, that long steel track, where you and I must go. That long steel track and strong crossbars before we travel home. The wind it blew and dust it flew around the two little trains going west. But the dust storm drew not a toot or a hoo or a whistle from the trains going west. Then the mountains came beyond the plains, and the train started climbing west. Up and around and over and through the great high mountains to the west. And look at the little train. It's going all the way up the stairwell. The ocean was big, the ocean was blue, beyond the land in the west. And the little train stopped. Their trip was through. They had come to the edge of the west. And look at his little one. It's going to land. Wow. I so hope you enjoyed this story. And I hope that you remember that you are dearly loved.